Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. Our today's topic is odd and even numbers part 1. Today's topic odd and even numbers part 1. This is lecture number 16 and HW number 30. Okay, dear the students, let us start our today's class. At first we want to know what is odd numbers and what is even numbers. Here the students, I have written 10 digits. You know that for expressing any number in mathematics we use these 10 digits. We can divide these 10 digits into two parts. 5 digits are odd digits and another 5 digits are even digits. Now the question is, what is odd digits and what is even digits? The digits which we can divide into two equal parts is even digits, and the digit which we cannot divide, which we cannot be divided into two equal parts is odd digit. Here, if we consider a digit 4, we can divide these 4 into two equal parts. If we denote this 4 by 4 stick 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can divide these 4 into two equal parts, taking 2 in another one parts and taking another 2 in another one parts. That means we can divide these 4 into two equal parts. So 4 is a even number. If we take 5, and we can denote this 5 by 5 stick 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are trying to divide this 5 stick into two equal parts. We take 2 stick in this part and another 2 stick in this part. Here 1 stick remaining. Now this stick, if we put in this box, then it will be greater. If we put in this box, then it will be greater. So that means we cannot divide 5 into two equal parts. So 5 is not a even number, it is odd number. Now again we consider a number 8, and we can denote this 8 by 8 stick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now we'll divide this 8 into two equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We can take this 4 stick in this part and we can take another 4 stick in this part. That means we can divide 8 into two equal parts. So 8 is a even number. But if we consider 7, and we can divide this 7 by 7 stick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we are trying to divide these 7 into two equal parts. At first we will take these 3 stick in this part and take another 3 stick in this part, 1 stick remaining. If we place this stick here, then it will be greater. If we place this stick here, then it will be greater. That means we cannot divide 7 into two equal parts. So 7 is not a seven is not an even digit. That means 7 is a odd digit. Now we will write the odd digits here and even digits here. We cannot divide 1 into two equal parts, so 1 will be an odd digit, and 3 also will be an odd digit, 5 also will be an odd digit, 7 also will be an odd digit, and 9 also will be an odd digit. Here 1, 3, 5, then 7, then 9. These digits are odd digits. Now we will write even digits. Remaining digit, that means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These digits are even digits. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, then 4, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even digits, and 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These digits are odd digits. Now we'll write here total 10 numbers I have written. Now we'll separate the numbers. We'll write odd numbers in this box and we will write even number in this box. The number which ones place digit is odd digit, the number will be odd number. If the number's ones place digit is even digit, then the number will be even number. Here at first 75. 75. Here ones place digit is 5, which is odd digit. So 75 will be an odd number. So in this box of odd numbers, we will write 75. Now 24. Here ones place digit is 4. 4 is an even digit. So 24 will be even number. So we will write 24 here. Now 32. Here ones place digit is 2, which is even digit. So 32 will be an even number. 32. Now 57. Here ones place digit is 7, which is an odd digit. So 57 will be odd number. We will write 57 here. Now 53. Here ones place of 53 is 3, which is odd digit. So 53 will be a odd number, will be an odd number. 53. Now 100. Here ones place digit is 0, 0, which is even digit. So 100 will be even number. Now 81. Ones place digit of 81 is 1, which is an odd digit. So 81 will be odd number. 81. Now 29. Here ones place digit is 9, which is odd digit. So 29 will be odd number. 29. Now 38. Ones place digit of 38 is 8, which is even digit. So 38 will be even number. Now 42. Here ones place digit is 2 and 2 is even digit. So 42 will be even number. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I will give you an SW. Here your today's SW is SW number 13. Here 10 numbers I have written: 24, 73, 55, 29, 42, 88, 91, 76, 64 and 17. You will write odd numbers in this box and even number in this box. I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. Okay, dear students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.